Welcome back to Just Tings. Today, we have to talk about a tragedy that has left the Vaal and the entire country in absolute pieces. On Monday morning, what should have been a normal trip to school turned into a nightmare on Fred Drost Road in Vanderbijlpark. A private scholar transport taxi carrying learners from 5 different schools collided with a side tipper truck. We started the week mourning 12 children, but as of this morning, that number has tragically climbed to 14. This isn't just another road accident. It's a moment that has exposed a broken system and led to a dramatic day in court. Today, the 22-year-old driver, Ayanda Dludla, made his first appearance in the Vanderbijlpark Magistrates Court. Initially, he was expected to face charges of culpable homicide, but in a move that shocked the gallery, the state upgraded the charges to 14 counts of murder and 3 counts of attempted murder. Why? Because the state alleges that this wasn't just negligence. They are arguing that his actions were so reckless, specifically an illegal overtaking maneuver into oncoming traffic, that he should have known death was a likely result. Dludla appeared with a scar on his forehead, keeping his head down as he abandoned his bid for bail. He will remain behind bars until March. But while the driver is in the dock, many are asking who else is to blame. Investigations have revealed that the taxi's professional driving permit, PDP, had allegedly expired back in November 2025. Premier Panyaza Lesufi has been vocal, stating that the private scholar transport sector is full of loopholes. Unlike government-regulated buses, these private school taxis often operate under the radar. In just 1 week of inspections leading up to this, Gauteng authorities discontinued nearly 100 unsafe buses. But for the 14 families in the Vaal today, those inspections came too late. As we wait for the March court date, the community is holding candlelight vigils and demanding justice. This tragedy reminds us that every time a parent puts their child in a taxi, they are handing over a sacred trust. We cannot keep losing our future to expired permits and reckless overtaking. Our deepest condolences go out to the families of the 14 learners. What do you think? Is 14 counts of murder the right charge, or was this a tragic accident? Let's talk in the comments. I'm Cyrus, this is Just Tings. I'll see you tomorrow.